Good morning everyone. Now today, before I get started back in the cottage, I've got some firewood that I need to grade, cut and salt. It's all construction materials and it's all mixed up, so we've got some cold months ahead, I dare say, and yeah, it's time for me to start preparing for that. So what I'll do, I'll take them out of there, take them outside. Grade them from pine to beech. The pine go there, make little sticks out of that. And then the beech just gets cut up and used to assist the oak. Always wise to do it before you need it, isn't it? So when it comes to it, it's normally raining and all the wrong conditions, so I like to get ahead. Very important, it is our main fuel after all. We have got gas and electric, but primarily the wood is what heats our house. And the small stuff simply gets bagged up. Now I'll just empty these out into the appropriate bins. I'm ready to go. Tiny pieces in this one. Slightly bigger in this one there. Yes, you need lots of different sizes when you're starting your fires. Let's head back into the cottage. I'm still waiting on the nail gun. Just that much quicker, isn't it, once you've got a nail gun? Bump, bump, bump. And away you go. That's it, the last piece is in, just got to fix it up and that'll be it for that, because I don't want to film too much of this. It's more of an update. getting there, bit by bit. Yes, I'm really having to push myself on this. It's just, I think what it is, it's the amount of effort and work it takes to do it for what you see afterwards. It ain't a good trade-off. Some jobs are, some are not, and this is one of those that isn't. But anyway, we'll just inch along with it. Now that panel that I waxed up yesterday, I was thinking if I put hooks on it, the chances are it will start getting covered with all sorts of bits and pieces. What about if I just use it as a decorative element? There's a few places I can put it. I was thinking maybe over here to break up the expanse of the green planking. What do you think? Maybe over the door. Let's try it. It might not look any good, but you don't know until you try, do you? Proportions might be pretty perfect actually. Yeah, I may be able to incorporate that into the design. It's about the right width for the opening. Maybe I'll just tack it in place and then time to keep looking at it to see whether or not I think it's going to work. Really like that, and for €5 I know it would look better, €5 in my pocket or that on the wall. It's just the small attentions to detail that really do finish off a project. I went to the hardware store to get some hinges for that, or just half of hinges really, the other half of that, and they were €15 for 2 hinges, and I thought, you know what, I ain't paying that. I dare say once I have a little rummage about, I would probably have the other half of those hinges somewhere on another door or piece of furniture. That's far from good, but good from afar. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.